Alright, good morning bums. I hope everybody's doing a-okay. Thanks for tuning in again. So, yeah, we arrived here at Whitsundays. It is actually gorgeous.
So nice.
Yeah, it's early in the morning.
Yeah.
I just woke up for an awesome sunset. But, yeah, so Celine, she booked a tour with Peter Pan, and I was like half listening,
Yeah, you had no idea
five.
what we were doing.
I had no idea what we're doing, but so supposedly we're staying at an $85 million resort for 48 hours.
Yeah,
And
which is awesome.
yeah, so this Australian dude who's a rich guy, he owns it, and he used to go here like with his kids, but you know his kids got older, so he stopped getting here again.
He forgot about it.
Yeah, so now he's just like renting out this place to people. But that's not the cool thing about it, cause we actually got a room upgrade from Red Cat Adventures. So shout out to them, thank you very much. So right now we're actually not staying with other people, because we're actually here with 16 other people, but we're actually staying at this beautiful cabin house. It's like a little villa, and it cost $800 a night, so which is pretty insane. So do you want to guys do like a quick room tour? Let's do it. Welcome to our little villa. It's so crazy too, but to like sleep in here. Like that's our bed. Don't mind the stuff over here. It's like a little mess right now. Look at this huge couch. It's like bigger than my bed already. Look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Like you could like easily fall asleep here and wake up at this. Not too bad, right? And then we got the bed over here. Super huge. It's insane. It felt so good. Now we got a kitchen over here. An old school typewriter. A stereo to put your music on. A little kitchen. The fridge. And then look at this. A little outside window shower. Open window shower. Isn't this it's gonna be like, showering all the time naked, just like, I don't know, I feel like a millionaire right now. It's just, and they got over here like a little closet. And look at this, we got 2 sinks. And then we got this here. How cool is this? I mean, I'm not gonna use it, but it's pretty cool, right? It's not too bad. It's just a waste of water, so I'm not gonna use that. So yeah, this is where we'll be staying for 48 hours.